Hello students, so in that session we can see how to place the columns and beams in our plan. So now I'm going to the level 2 because in Revit structure if you are placing the column just like then you can place this column on everywhere on the grid. Just select add grids and select the grids from here and simply place finish. Now you can see the columns are placed on grids. Okay, so just like that you can place the beam also. Now I am selecting a beam option. The structural beam is available. If you want to change, you can change from option panel. Now we are loaded one family and it shows that one. So I'm placing from that center to that center and placing all over on the grids. Just selecting the grids and finish. Now you can see columns and beams are placed in our structure. We can see the realistic view. So see how it looks. So basically steel structure. Just like that we can place the concrete column also in our structure. So just like that we can place the column and beam in our structure. If you want to place a slant column, here you can select slant column and just simply place the slant column. Now we can see how to put column or beams. Like suppose I am on a level 2 right now, like I'm inserting that all the column on level 2 because in Revit structure the base level is level 2 and from that the minus offset is put. So if you want to place this on level 1, you should have to place the column level 1 and base offset should be in a positive value, means from base to top, or like by default there is a setting of like that. And the beams have different shapes. Now it is a structural system, hence it is looking like that. You can draw it in a concrete structure also. Just look at the structure, column and beams.